big contributors to yesterday's fall, and 35% of the Nifty weightage which was underperforming: Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank along with IDC. 0.5% lower. We were not anticipating anything different. In fact, adjusted for the GIFT Nifty implied open, it seems like it's going to see some more red. 0.5%, just about defending the 2300 mark for Reliance Industries, one of the key culprits in the market weakness of late. Even the Nifty actually is just about defending the 19,400 print, so it's getting pretty brittle out there. Let's see what HDFC Bank is up to. Another 1% of a crack coming in there. It's up the 1500 mark, 1495 now for HDFC Bank as we speak. ICICI Bank, ITC, that will just come up for you on your screens next. ICICI Bank slips to 934 levels. ITC is down about almost 0.5% as we speak. Now let's talk about Bajaj Finance, Avenue Supermart, IDFC first, and then let's revisit the likes of a Bank of Maharashtra as well. Bajaj Finance is still managing to hold its head above water in an otherwise weak market. 2% of a move coming in for Avenue Supermart. That's climbed up above the 3,800 level. 1.5% lower for IDFC first, which has launched its 3,000 crore rupee QIP. Bank of Maharashtra, ITC of course is lower. Bank of Maharashtra, the gross advances have seen a decent uptick on a year-on-year basis as part of the takeaways of the quarterly update. A 2% uptick coming in for Bank of Maharashtra as we speak. And then Mahindra Finance as well, wherein the disbursements were lower than what the market was anticipating. There's a note from Morgan Stanley as well this morning on this one. That starts off about 2% lower as we speak right now. So bunch of stocks there which are on our radars. Let's also revisit what the new listing from yesterday, JSW Infra, is up to, given that it closed well above its opening price, which was a 20% premium to its issue price. From there, you're seeing another 5% of a move coming in on JSW Infra. There's of course RVNL too, which has emerged as one of the lowest bidders for the HP State Electricity Board's project, which is worth about 445 odd crore rupees. So look out for that. There's Titega as well, which has bagged a project worth about 857 odd crore rupees. This is from the Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation. That's going to be another stock which is in focus. And then I want to definitely check in what Vedanta is up to. This has been quite the newsy stock. Big uptick on Friday. Monday as well, that stock held out, and right now it's down about almost 1%.
Well, yes, and the one which is actually seeing quite a bit of cut today is the auto space. Pull up the Nifty Auto Index. That's the worst performing index. It's M&M, which is down over 1%. Bharat Forge, Motherson Sumi as well. Of course, there was the North America Class 8 truck orders that had come in. Didn't look very impressive, and that's the reason you're seeing a slide on some of these names. But overall, it is a weak opening, and the advanced decline ratio are favoring the declines. No surprise there. It's only FMCG, which is the sector which is holding up in the green, and that too mildly so on account of Nestle, which is now up almost 4%. But let's take the first trades from our chart as well. Naresh, what's the first trade you're punching in?
Continue like SBI closer to this mark of 595, 598, structurally setting up for a breakout, so that could be a trade for the short term.
That's a buy coming in. Kunal, what about you?
So DMart is something which looks attractive, and I think at 3700, 3750 mark, something which I would look to buy.
All right, that's the view coming in from our charters about the individual stocks that they're looking at. Time to connect.